StyleCraft trimmers have known to be elite, but this one may be the most elite out of all. Let's get into this video. YouTube! I'm back with another video, of course. It's only right. I got a combo, but I'm gonna unbox them separately. Now, you may have seen the clipper video. Now, this is the trimmer video. I don't want to do too much talking. Let's get into it. Package! We got another package. I already opened it, so I know what it is, of course, but let me show y'all what I got. The Saber 2 trimmer. Let's go! Now, a lot of y'all still have this on y'all trimmer of the year. I'm late to the party, so I want to check it out and see what all the hype is about. On the box, it says it has a 4-hour runtime. That's pretty nice for a trimmer. Definitely need that. Digital brushless motor, premium precision blade set, 7,500 RPM, micro USB rechargeable. Let's open this up. I got the black one, as you can see. It's nice. Now, this is the trimmer. It has a small blade on it. I don't know if this is the blade that usually comes on them or not. I do like the small teeth on this. That means I can use it on those small foreheads. You got the small vertical bars, stuff like that. But yeah, again, a full metal body. I like where this power button is placed. I like that it's a button instead of a switch. On the bottom, you got your charging for your dock, and on the back, you got the USB-C. On the back, there are no finger grooves, no rubber grip, anything. It's a full metal body, which I feel like sometimes is more durable than your regular clipper. And these teeth on this trimmer come really, really close to zero gap. That means I do got to be a little careful with this trimmer though. We'll see how this goes. Now let's get back to the box. In the box, you got a dock, charging cord, screwdriver, USB-C cord, extra screws, a blade brush, and oil. Extra screws always comes in handy, so I think that's important. I'm so glad they started sending extra screws. And then you got your booklet. And just like we did with the clipper, I'm gonna set it on the charger for a little bit, and then we'll start our day. Let's get into it. StyleCraft Saber trimmer. Let's talk about this real quick. So this one came with the smaller blade, which I'm not against, but I was expecting the one with the bigger blade. Now I got the clipper and trimmer for under 400. You can get both for around 370 to 400. 370 is a great price. You got to think you're getting one for 170 probably, and the other one for 200, which is way better than 5, which some of you pay. Who's paying 300 for a clipper, 2 for a trimmer sometimes? But let's get to this trimmer. I love the button right here. The way this feels in my hand, great. Full metal body. You can never go wrong with the full metal body as long as it doesn't get hot, and these do not get hot. Now, I do want to try it with the bigger blade on it, but this blade is not bad at all. It went through bulk really well. Lineups were clean. It came set so well, I didn't have to touch anything on it. I understand why a lot of people love this trimmer. I will end up putting the bigger blade on it. I just want to see what the difference is. Again, the only complaint, I wish there was rubber on the back. My hands get a little sweaty sometimes because the body is full metal. The body doesn't get hot. It's just the fact that it's full metal and some people's hands sweat. I don't have sweaty hands, but for a full metal body, this does feel great in your hand. I understand why this is on a lot of people's list for best trimmer, and it's been on there for 2 years, maybe more. With that being said, I'm gonna dive into more StyleCraft products. I do like this a lot. My go-to trimmer is the Wall A-line. And as you can see, they're about the same size. They're not too different. As far as power goes, I don't need 10,000 RPM. If I were to use this, it would be for lineups, especially for kids because they have the small vertical bars. It's a quiet trimmer. Not loud at all. It's probably good for lineups. I would want something just a little bit bigger just for balding out, but I do believe every setup should have a smaller blade for kids or smaller lineups or whatever. You need a small blade trimmer in every setup. That being said, I approve this trimmer. Shout out to StyleCraft for the Saber 2 trimmer. It is fire. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I go by the name of Cruze, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.